Did you know that you can change the view of your installed apps from a list view on your Windows 11 PC? And I'm going to show you how easy it is to do so. So go ahead and right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar, click on Install Apps. Now from here, you will see that all your applications are currently shown in a list view. Now, if you want to change the view of that on the upper right hand side, you have three icons. You have the current list view, as you can see when you hover over it. You also have the grid view. So if you click on that, it will change this to grid view. Might take a few seconds and you'll have your apps showing in a grid view just like this. Or you can also do it in a tile view. So if you click on tile view, you will have those applications shown in tile view as well. So whichever view you will find best, you can go ahead and change them for your install applications. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.